Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is just gonna be me holding my cat. Obviously likes it a lot. They're best friends, aren't we? So now Gizmo, this very and rude Maine Coon, is gonna be my assistant in today's video. And this video is gonna be about me teaching you guys how to pet a mean fat cat and how for them appreciate you and love you for who you are, because you're a very nice person and I love you. And Gizmo loves you too. Loves. Okay, just a disclaimer, everyone that watches this, it's only going to be like 5 people, but no animals were harmed during the filming of this video. Only me and my little heart.